Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the sound and speaker problem in your device Realme GT Neo 3 5G. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the sound or the speaker of the device, you can solve it by the method as I will show you in this video. So before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the sound and speaker problem in your device. Let's watch the video.